Today we are going to study about theory of income and employment, and this is the first chapter in macroeconomics, and this theory is one of the most important theory of macroeconomics. And in this theory, we are going to study how income is determined and employment is determined through Keynesian model. This theory is also called general theory of employment. Keynes developed this theory in the wake of Great Depression. That is, the economic condition at that time was economy was falling, low level of income, low level of output, and there was growing unemployment. And to solve out these problems, he developed this theory. He proposed that income, output, and employment in short run depends on aggregate demand or aggregate spending of the people. And what is aggregate demand? Aggregate demand refers to total demand for goods and services in the economy, since it is measured by total expenditure of the community goods and services. Therefore, aggregate demand also defined as total amount that households are ready to spend to purchase goods and services in the economy, and also called as aggregate spending. That is, aggregate demand is equal to aggregate expenditure, that is aggregate spending. Aggregate demand, aggregate spending. Aggregate demand is classified into two parts, that is desired demand and effective demand. What is desired demand? It is the intended planned desired demand or spending by the people. Desired spending on domestically produced goods and services is called aggregate spending, and it is expressed as AE is equals to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Here AE is aggregate demand, C is consumption, I is investment, G is government expenditure, and X minus M is net export. And what is effective demand? When total amount of goods and services that people actually buy in an economy, it is actual aggregate demand. जो हमारी डिजायर डिमांड थी वो हमारी प्लान डिमांड है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने प्लान किया है इन नेक्स्ट 2 months आई एम गोइंग टू बाय अ कार, but when 2 months, after the 2 months, I have some problem and therefore I didn't buy the car which I have planned earlier. That is desire demand. There is a risk associated with it कि it may happen or it may not happen in the future. But effective demand is when we actually buy the good in the economy. That is why it is called the actual aggregate demand. Actual spending is equals to actual desired spending, and when actual spending is equals to actual desired spending, that is equilibrium situation. And when actual spending, that is effective demand, is greater than intended demand or intended spending, then the unsold stock of goods will there will be unsold stock of goods in the economy or in the market. And when the actual spending, that is intended demand, is less than the actual desired spending, then there will be unsold stock of goods and increase in inventory investment. So there are four components of aggregate demand: household consumption demand, private investment demand, government demand for goods and services, and net export. And in the next class, we are going to study about these components briefly.